Hi, I'm Justin, and I just quit my job to be a full-time woodworker. This is something I've been planning and hoping to do for a while now, and with everything going on in the world right now, and where I am in my life, I just felt like it was time. This year was a big year for me. I got engaged. I'm just a few months away from getting married, and I turned 30. I also lost my job due to COVID, but luckily I was able and fortunate enough to find a new position within the company. But I knew it wasn't for me. It was a great job and I would have been paid well, but it is not where I wanted to end up in 10 years. So I made the decision that it was time for me to give it a shot and bet on myself. This has not been an easy decision. I left a company that I've been with for over 10 years and am very comfortable with. But in the words of P.T. Barnum, comfort is the enemy of progress. So it is time to pursue my dreams and grow my business and be my own boss. Because when I do have kids, I want to be a role model and show them they can be anything they want in this world. I'm not going to miss practices, games, birthday parties, all because of work. I'll set my own schedule. I'll be my own boss. All in all, my end goal is to build my career on YouTube, sharing fun and new projects. Until that is able to support me full time, I will be building custom furniture, decor, and just building up my portfolio of work, learning new things, and trying new things out. This has always been just a side hobby for me, something I've done for myself, friends, family, sold a couple things here and there, and now I'm taking the step to do it full time. I know this is not going to be an easy journey, but I have an amazingly supportive group of friends and family behind me that believes I can do it. So it's my turn to believe in myself, to pursue the American dream. I just wanted to get on here and share a big step in my life with you. I will be posting more videos on my journey becoming a full-time woodworker. If you'd like to support me, subscribe, like, and share my videos. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.